everybody, welcome to the Hacienda today. Rivett here. Today we're going to make something delicious from Binghampton, New York. We're going to make Speedies. Now you're wondering, what the heck are these red peppers doing there? Sweet red peppers. Well, we're going to make two kinds of Speedies. We're going to make my version, the original, just the plain Speedy. And Mrs. Rivett had an idea to make her version with these red peppers. So stay tuned, we're going to make it. Now you see this Speedy sauce. I don't know if you can see it. It's really nice. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 layers of distinct things. Oil, vinegar, and flavors. So let's go ahead and try it. Alright, I got this shaken up really well. Got a spoon here. Let's go ahead and, can you see that? I think so. Let's pour some out and let me try it. Okay, it's good. A garlicky Italian salad dressing tasting. It's got a hint of mint, definitely lemon in there. So okay, it tastes pretty good. Alright, so I saved the marinade from the Speedies, and we're gonna put it in a saucepan and bring it to a boil, and then turn it down and simmer it for about 20 minutes while the Speedies cook and I get them ready. And we're gonna use that as a sauce on the sandwiches. Alright, hot off the grill, here's the Speedy meat. Looks good. Let's build the sandwich. Alright, so we got a nice roll here. So what we're going to do is we're going to spoon some of this cooked Speedy sauce on the bread. Give it a little bit of flavor on there. Okay. Now let's get the Speedy meat on there. Now these things are hot. So this is how you do it apparently. You take the bread like a mitt, snag the meat, pull it off. There you go. There's your Speedy sandwich in the traditional way. Let's go ahead and try. Oh no, let's get some more Speedy sauce on top. Ow. Aye, that's hot. Burning my little finger, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and try it. The crispy chicken edges are delicious. The marinade is good. I detect some lime, lemon, mint. Very mild, very well balanced. Whoever said you can use regular Italian dressing for this is wrong. No. This Speedy sauce is good. Now, does it transcend a sandwich? Is it the most sublime thing I've ever tasted, as I've read in other articles? No. But it's really good. Oh yeah. That sauce, definitely worth buying. Chicken, very tender. Yeah. That's a good sandwich. Now that's the original traditional one. Sorry, I'm speaking with my mouth full. Now let's make Mrs. Rivett's version. And what we have here is Mrs. Rivett's sandwich by request. She gave me this idea. This is what she wanted her Speedy sandwich to be like. So we're going to go ahead and sauce the bread like we did the other one. And folks, I gotta say, the saucing of the bread is pretty much necessary. You know, shish kebab meat tends to be a little bit dry, so it's good. But yeah, need the sauce. Now let's go ahead and put the grilled Mucci red pepper on it. Okay, so we have these delicious Mucci brand red peppers that are huge and sweet and lovely. And we're going to go ahead and squeeze that again like a mitt. Well, it's not going to work. And we're going to put the chicken on there, and let's go ahead and spoon some more sauce over it. Yeah, this sauce is really good. And what I don't know if I've said this before, but anybody who says you could use Italian dressing for this is wrong. So there's Mrs. Rivett's version. Now let me show you my 3 takes on this sandwich. Okay, and finally my take, the Rivett's version. Probably has people in Binghampton rolling in their graves and shrieking because it's not authentic. But I have 3 different versions of the Speedy, all of which I've tried earlier, just before camera. Delicious. The first one has Mrs. Rivett's hummus in it. Absolutely delicious. Hummus does a lot for that. Brings out the Middle Eastern flavor because this sandwich, believe it or not, tastes Middle Eastern. We have the chili garlic sauce. You could probably use sambal oelek on there. That was really good. That spice complements the marinade just spot on. And then we have this guacamole habanero sauce coming from Mexico that I found in my grocery store about a week or so ago, that's just delicious. It's got a zing to it, but it's mild, and that was pretty tasty too. Of all 3, my favorite is definitely the center one with the garlic chili sauce. It just rounds everything out. But anyway, thanks for watching, people. I appreciate you enjoying my Speedies. You all take care.